Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In our today's video lecture, we are going to cover adjectives, its definition, types, and various uses. What is an adjective? A word that describes a noun or pronoun is simply called an adjective. Any word that modifies noun or pronoun or adds a little more to its meaning is called an adjective. For example, Vijay is a boy. Now, here, a boy, simply we are mentioning a boy, but when we say Vijay is a good boy, now good here adds further, defines the noun a much more. So that's why we use adjectives. Adjectives जो हैं थोड़ा add करते हैं या describe करते हैं किसी भी noun या pronoun को. For example, on your screen there is word that now here there are various nouns. For example, person, place, thing, idea. Now, word that describes noun is called adjective. Sachin, for example, Sachin Tendulkar, a person. He is a good player. Best, clever. These are the words that are used to define him. Place, Taj Mahal. Now it's a beautiful place. Old, white. Now these three are what? Adjectives defining a place. Thing, for example, there's a ball and we try to explain it. The ball is very much colorful. There are six balls. It is a big ball. Now these colors, six, big, these are the adjectives defining a thing. Idea, well, your idea was great. Your idea was scary. It's a funny idea. Now these three are defining any idea. So that was about the definition of an adjective. Now there are some sentence examples. Ram is a tall person. राम क्या है लंबा लड़का है. This is a small ball. ये एक छोटा सा ball है. Shreya has five chocolates. Shreya has five chocolates. Up these are the examples in which noun, person, place or thing whatsoever or an idea they are described. They are defined. Now there are degrees of adjectives. Number first is positive degree used to describe, not compare. Now, degrees of adjectives are usually used क्योंकि ये qualities हैं, for example से descriptions हैं, तो कुछ छोटी सी description होती है, कुछ बड़ी, कुछ ज्यादा लंबी, कुछ comparison एक किस्म सा होता है. तो तीन degrees हैं. One is positive. अब ये degree just only it is used to describe a noun, only one noun. Comparative degree used to compare two things के लिए होता है. अब comparative में दो चीजों को अपने आपस में compare किया जाता है. बल्कि अगर हमने पहले पढ़ा पॉजिटिव जो होता है सिर्फ और सिर्फ डिस्क्रिप्शन के लिए होता है यूज्ड टू डिस्क्राइब नॉट कंपेयर. बट जब कंपैरेटिव डिग्री की बात कर रहे हैं तो वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ दो चीजों के बीच में बिटवीन टू थिंग्स कंपैरिजन करेगा. सुपरलेटिवली मोर देन टू. इट कैन बी 3 4 5 टू इनफिनाइट. कोई भी कितने भी नंबर हो लेकिन दो से ज्यादा हो वहां पे आप क्या यूज करोगे सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. For example, here Ram is a tall boy. Ram लंबा लड़का है. Sham on the other hand is taller than Ram. अब taller here is what comparative degree. Tall, taller, and then there is Divyesh is the tallest among all. मतलब दिव्येश सबसे लंबा है. जब कंपैरिजन कर रहे थे दो के बीच में तो टॉलर था. दो से ज्यादा थे तीन है. तीसरे तीनों में सबसे लंबा कौन सा है तो टॉलेस्ट उसके लिए यूज होगा. बल्कि उससे पहले टॉल था. टॉल तो यूज ही एक बंदे के लिए हो रहा था. यूज टू डिस्क्राइब नॉट कंपेयर. हम कंपैरेटिव और सुपरलेटिव डिग्री में कंपेयर करते हैं. कंपैरेटिव में दो के बीच में और सुपरलेटिव में दो से ज्यादा हो तो. Now, by adding ER for comparative and EST for superlative, these are the ways in which we can make comparative and superlative degrees. Bright, brighter, brightest. Cold, colder, coldest. Strong, stronger, strongest. In some cases, E is already present over there, so we only add R and ST. For example, here fine, wise, white. Fine, finer, finest. Wise, wiser, wisest. White, whiter, whitest. Some There are some words that are irregular adjectives whose spellings are totally changed. We do not add ER, EST at the end. We never add this, but we change its entire structure. For example, now good is the positive degree, is comparative is better, is superlative is best. Positive for bad is the positive, worst comparative, worst superlative. Little is positive degree, less is the comparative one, and least is the superlative one. So there you can see on your screen that their spellings are totally changed when converting from positive to comparative and from comparative to superlative. Now again, let's revise is what is an adjective, word that describes a noun or pronoun. Then we have types of adjectives. There is adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, and possessive adjective. These are the 6 types of adjectives. Now let's see. Now adjective of quality is also called descriptive adjective. Now, judging from its name, descriptive, these are the words that describe quality of noun or pronoun. For example, there's a teddy over there. And you must keep in mind that when we are talking about the various types of adjectives, we must also see this part, the question part. Various adjectives try to answer some sort of questions. In the case of adjective of quality, here, adjective of quality always answers to question of what kind. For example, here is a bear, teddy. Now, what is its color? What kind of color it is? Of what kind? Brown. What is it like? It is awesome. What's its structure? It's very cute. So, of what kind? The question of what? Whenever it is asked, adjective of quality will answer it. So I hope this is clear. Every adjective will be containing a question. So you must bear that in mind. The example was, I have a nice teddy. What do you have? I have a nice teddy. To answer the question what, we use adjective of quality. Now, number second is adjective of quantity. Now, you must remember one thing. Now, here there is no any number specified. It will be specified in adjective of number. So, adjective of quantity is quite different from adjective of numbers. In quantity, you are just specifying some quantity, describing a quantity. It can be a lot, it can be a little. You're not telling the exact numbers here. For example, I have enough money. Well, I have enough money, I can manage. How much I have enough money? How many money do you have? You are not going to answer that. In adjective of quantity, you are only going to answer the question how much. Yeah, I have some money. I have little money. I have more money. I have enough money. These are what quantities that you are going to describe related to noun or pronoun. You're not going to tell the exact numbers. Now, exact numbers are told when you are using adjective of number. Now, these are the words, not words, these are numbers. These are words that describe exact numbers of noun. For example, Shivani has 4 apples. Now we are clear. If it if we never knew the number, we might have said she has some apples. Now some are not specified. Here, she has 4 apples. Number 4 specifies the exact number. An apple, 1 apple. 10 apple, 8 apple. So how many and is answered by adjective of number. Demonstrative adjective, word that points out a person, thing, or animal. Now, here you must be sure, you must ensure that you know about the pronoun and you know about the demonstrative adjective. Now now here this is also used as an adjective. This book is mine. The same, this is used as pronoun. This is my book. Now here this is what this shows itself as pronoun, but here this book is mine. It is called as demonstrative pronoun. How to confirm it? हमें कैसे पता चले कि कौन सा pronoun है, कौन सा adjective के तौर पे use हुआ है? It's very simple. एक बात ज़हन में रखें, इसकी positioning. अगर this noun के साथ लगा हुआ है, जैसे यहाँ पे this book is mine, तो this किसको define कर रहा है? Book को directly. और उससे टच में है, तो ये क्या बोलेंगे हम इसको? ये दिस इज कॉल्ड एज एडजेक्टिव. इसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? एडजेक्टिव. लेकिन यहाँ पे अगर देख लें, दिस इज माय बुक. अब यहाँ पे दिस क्या है? यहाँ पे एज अ प्रोनाउन यूज हो रहा है, क्योंकि ये किसको शो कर रहा है? दिस बात कर रहा है बुक की. ठीक है बेटा, बुक की जगह पे यूज हो रहा है, इंस्टेड ऑफ बुक यूज हो रहा है यहाँ पे एज अ, तो यहाँ पे ये प्रोनाउन है. तो ये आई थिंक सो आपके लिए क्लियर होगा कि आपको उसकी पोजीशनिंग चेक करनी है। अगर नाउन के साथ है तो वो फिर क्या हो जाएगा, एडजेक्टिव हो जाएगा, अदरवाइज इट इज प्रोनाउन। सेम गोज फॉर Same goes for possessive adjective. Now these are the words that show the ownership. Now again, these are the same words that we have learned in our previous video lectures of pronoun. My, our, her, their. These are usually called as pronouns. But when they show some kind of possession कि कोई चीज आपके पास है या कोई चीज आपकी है, तो फिर ये क्या बन जाता है, ये बन जाता है possessive adjective. जैसे कि यहाँ पे देख लें एग्जांपल क्या है, Joy left his bed एट होम। अब देखें हिज किसको शो कर रहा है, बैड को डिफाइन कर रहा है कि बैड किसकी है, भाई इसकी बैड थी। तो ये यहाँ पे क्या हो गया, एडजेक्टिव। कौन सा एडजेक्टिव, पजेसिव एडजेक्टिव। बट आप प्रोनाउन का एग्जांपल देख लें जहाँ पे यही हिज क्या बन जाता है, प्रोनाउन भी बन जाता है। द बेड नेक्स्ट टू द विंडो, जो बैड नजदीक है खिड़की के, इज हिज, वो इसकी है। अब यहाँ पे हम क्या करें, यहाँ पे आपने इसको क्या कर दिया, यहाँ पे आपने इसको प्रोनाउन कर दिया। अगर यही वर्ड किसी नाउन के साथ लगा होता, उसके साथ होता, तो वो क्या बन जाता, एडजेक्टिव। आई होप इट इज क्लियर फॉर यू। पजेसिव एडजेक्टिव और कौन सा, डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव, बिकॉज वी हैव डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन एज वेल एज पजेसिव प्रोनाउन। तो इन चीजों का हमें थोड़ा ख्याल रखना होगा। अब आ जाते हैं इंट्रोगेटिव प्रोनाउंस पे। यहाँ पे भी बेटा देख लें, इंट्रोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स भी होते हैं तो इंट्रोगेटिव प्रोनाउंस भी होते हैं, दोनों वर्ड्स सेम होते हैं। अगेन प्लेसमेंट का फर्क हो जाता है। दीज आर द WH वर्ड्स दैट आर यूज्ड विद नाउन्स टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस। अब व्हिच बुक इज योर्स, अब अगर बुक के साथ ही विच लगा हुआ है तो ये बुक को डिफाइन कर रहा है विच, तो ये हो जाएगा एडजेक्टिव। लेकिन अगर साथ नहीं लगा हुआ, पोजीशनिंग चेंज है, विच इज योर बुक, कौन सी किताब आपकी है, तो यहाँ पे ये विच क्या हो जाएगा, प्रोनाउन हो जाएगा। यहाँ पे विच क्या हो जाता है, इंट्रोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव। वजह क्या है, इसकी प्लेसमेंट। यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली लिंक्ड है बुक के साथ, यहाँ पे वो जस्ट क्वेश्चन कर रहा है। आई होप इट इज क्लियर। नाउ confusion of whether word is an adjective or pronoun. Now listen beta, a pronoun is a word used instead of noun, but an adjective is a word that describes the noun, that adds further to the meaning of the noun. It supports noun, it defines noun, it colors noun. So you must bear this difference in your mind. Now, what we learned in this video, we learned types of adjectives along with their examples. For example, adjective of quality is baby has soft skin. Soft hair is an adjective of quality. I have enough knowledge. Here, enough is what? Adjective of quantity. Sanjay came first in class. Here, first is adjective of number because exactly we are told that he came first. That pen is mine. Here, that pen means demonstrative adjective. That represents demonstrative adjective. Whose bicycle is this? Here, whose is used as interrogative adjective. My mother is here. My is used as possessive adjective. I thank you all. I hope you all have enjoyed our today's lecture. Uh, free, feel free to ask any question in our comment section.